So I'll say it again. These views do not suck. They do not suck at all. There is virtually nothing disappointing about them. Josh here with Tennessee Bavarian, and we made it to Mount Timpanogos. I'm at the Timpooneke trailhead. Should be a little over 7 miles out. Total of 15 miles round trip. Getting a little late start today. It's about 10 a.m.
All day you climb, and right back down the other side. How far will you go? I
chose to start this hike at the Timpooneke trailhead, which is deep inside the Uinta National Forest. Of note, 0 cell reception up here, so highly recommend downloading your maps or any data you need prior to starting off. So less than a half mile in, and I can already say that the views do not suck. All right, in keeping with the tradition of me bringing good weather to Utah, Utah has been plagued by bad air quality and smoke from wildfires for weeks now. And as I arrive, I bring high winds with me that have mostly cleared out a lot of that smog and smoke and left some really beautiful weather. I am 35 minutes in and about 1.1 miles, and I'm starting to gain some elevation. Starting to hit some switchbacks. So far it's been pretty steady, gradual climb. Nothing crazy, nothing intense, pretty easy.
Living in a world without you.
All right, we're now 2 miles in and 1 hour in, so I'm pacing at about a half mile an hour. which, okay, whatever, I'm here for a good time. Wow, the views up here do not suck.
Walking through a world without you, 'cause I need your love.
What a gorgeous day.
'Cause I need your love.
That's gonna be the fun climb. How's it going?
How you going?
Good. Yeah, have a good one.
You too.
It's calm now. Storms clear their way. Birds leave their prey for a time. It's unfounded. Some may say smiles find their place in your mind. Oh, you found your place in my mind now. If I stay, if I go.
All right, we're 2 hours and 26 minutes in, 4.1 miles. I think I'm ready for my my first snack, get some calories.
Either way.
All right, let's keep going.
It's calm now. Storms clear their way. Birds leave their prey for a time. It's unfounded.
It is a pretty steady climb. So the first part of the trail condition was great. Mostly compact soil. And then all of a sudden it turned into loose rock.
If I stay, if I go, either way we're falling apart. If you wait, we'll turn and go. Either way, what's that you say? I already know. Either way, if you stay, if you go, either way we're falling.
So I'll say it again. These views do not suck. They do not suck at all. There is virtually nothing disappointing about them. The only disappointing thing is I keep seeing more trail further and further away. It's disheartening.
Caught up in the light, I'm falling. Tripping to the night, I'm all in. Drifting in your tide, we're flawless. I didn't have to think about it all night. Every take a dozen nights away. This feeling is swift like a river running to you. And make me go.
It's windy. Holy sh! I did not know where the trail was.
Sunrise, perfect on your face, talking all night, memorizing ways you feel right, fit into place so dreamlike. Didn't have to think about it anymore. Ever take a dozen nights away. This feeling is swift like a river running to you. You make me go.
I can't believe I made it up here. But I did. Oh my God. What a hell of a hike. All right. I made it up here in 5 hours and 46 minutes. It is 7.5 miles. And I have gained 6,659 feet.
I'm up on a wire, you got me up here, catching on like a fire, let go of your fear. I'm lucid dreaming.
All right, I don't want to waste any time getting off this mountain. It took me a while to get up here. Pretty slow movement, so I'm gonna start trekking back down. My foot injury is acting up. I've got 7.5 miles to go, so see how that goes. Nice and easy though. It's 4 o'clock, so it gives me about 4 hours before it really starts getting dark. I've got a headlamp with me. I still got a whole half of a hoagie left and some beef jerky. I got a pretty good bit of water left. So I'm gonna make my way down the mountain nice and easy. making my way down. I'm hoping to be down by 8 o'clock. This took me a whole lot longer than I expected. Probably a lot of it had to do with my bad foot. And then altitude, I was sucking some air. And then at one point, I actually had to stop and take a Zoom meeting. So I did that. It was just a slower roll. I had my earphones in. So of note, I will say that the first hour of this trip, there was 0 cell reception. After that, I had really good cell reception, really good service. I was actually streaming music. Like I said, I got on a Zoom meeting, just turned my camera and my mic off and participated. I've made some phone calls. It's been really good. So I'm gonna keep making my way down. Hopefully I can get down before the sun goes down. I've got a headlamp just in case, but cool. I wanted to turn around like 20 times, but I knew if I turned around, I would be angry at myself. I would feel like I had a defeatist mentality. And I've been living by the saying lately of if not now, when? And if I don't do this now, when? When am I gonna come back and recover the 6 miles I had already covered to get here? Just because I didn't want to push out the last mile to get to the top. Like I probably won't. I got the feeling of getting up there that just, I wish I had more time to sit up there and enjoy it, but the anxiety to get off this mountain before the sun goes down.
Let go of your fear. I'm up on a wire, you got me up here.
This is great. I love it. Made it. Holy crap. 10 hours, 29 minutes, 14.9 miles. It'll be 15 by the time I get there.